Hello, in this video, we will introduce the Python for loop. A Python for loop iterates through each value in a sequence. In the while loop, we have this continuation condition. If this condition is true, we're going to execute the body of the loop. This continues until this condition becomes false. This loop is intuitive and easy for beginners to grasp. However, programmers often forget to adjust the control variable, which leads to an infinite loop. A for loop can be used to avoid this potential error. This is the for loop. For I in this sequence is a range here from the initial value to the value before end value. For each of the value in the sequence, we're going to perform this loop. For example, we can rewrite this program using a for loop. It is like this here. So here is a while loop. I is less than end value. So this I begins from initial value. So here's the sequence is initial value, and the next value is initial value plus 1, then the next value is plus 2, and all the way, and just before the end value. So you don't have to do this add 1 to I. So this is the for loop. It is same as the many lines of using this while loop. It is concise. It is actually better, makes the program less prone to errors. In general, the syntax for a for loop is the variable here in the sequence. A sequence holds multiple items of data. There are many sequences in Python. A string is a sequence of characters. The range function returns a sequence of integers, a, b, a plus 1, a plus 2, all the way to b minus 1. For example, this for v in range 4, 8, we're going to print v. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7. The range function has 2 more versions. This is another version here. You can have just range A, so that means you are going to start from 0 and then all the way up to a minus 1. Or range A, B, K is you're going to start from A. The next one is the step is A plus K. For example, this 3, 9, 2. So here you start from 3. The next value would be 5, then 7, and then you cannot go 9. 9 is already here, so it has to be less than 9. Now this step can also be a negative value. So in this case here, you go down, starting from 5. So then the next one is going to be 4, 3, 2. Now here's 1. You have to have this value greater than 1. The numbers in the range function must be integer. For example, this range 1.5, 8.5, this any of the floating point numbers in this range function would be wrong. String is a sequence of characters. You can use this For each character in S from the first one to the last one, we're going to print this out. So that is for the introduction of the for loop. We will look at more examples of using for loop. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.